My name is Trevor, this is Nerd Learn, and today I'm going to show you how to return an item you purchased on Amazon when it's beyond the 30-day window. So one of the first things that you need to do is to bring up the item under your account so that you can actually try to return it. So go mouse over here, click orders, and type out something that brings up the order, or you can scroll through your search history. So in my case, there's a broken light right here. So I click on order details, and we look over here to the right, and perfect world, we're going to click on a return. So let me show you a different order. This one here has items that are eligible for a return. So we have this return button. So we would just click on it. We would say whatever item, we would say, whatever. And we would kind of go, as needed based on that. So that doesn't apply for mine. This is my light that I purchased, and it broke after 2 months. So I'm going to click on the actual product description. Having read this, what I notice is my very last bullet item is right here. 3-year service extended after purchase. So if there's any problems, let us know via Amazon. So somehow we got to figure out how to get a hold of the seller, and we got to let them know. So you can do a Control F or Command F for the find feature, and I'm going to type out warranty. So down here, warranty and support, we click on this, and what we're noticing is that there's no useful information on this company. So that's kind of a bummer. But there's still a way to locate the company, right? So I'm just going to close out of the tab. So go back to the order, and this time click order details. So this shows what other additional items were purchased at the same time. This is where we're trying to find that button. But this time we want to hit leave seller feedback. So we got to match up the right item. This is not the right item. That's not the right company. But this one is. So this one, LED light by So Nice. So we click view seller profile, and we can see the business address and so forth. So Chinese company. But we do have a 98% positivity rating, so that's pretty good. And right here, have a question. So click on ask, and then do an order I have placed. Scroll through left and right as needed and find your item and select it. And ideally you would want to just click return this, but see, it redirects us back over to take it up with Amazon. And in our case, we're trying to take it up with the actual company because we want to activate the warranty on this thing, or utilize the warranty rather. So we're going to click on no, not now. An order I have already placed. Unfortunately, it partially restarts our progress here. Oop, that was it. So there's our light again. Select it. All right, so this time don't click return this. So I'm going to pick other, followed by warranty. So we can read this important notice. So Amazon is going to replace our email address with the one provided by Amazon to help protect our identity and such. So we're going to click here, and this is where we're actually going to type, hey, we have a problem, this is what happened, and I see that it's within the warranty period based on the product description, hook a brother up. So if you know ahead of time, like, you might want to put some files, or you can wait for them to ask. So here's this attached files down here. So I'm going to type out a useful message followed by send message, and that's all. And now I'm going to wait for a response from the company. Okay, so we sent a message off to the retailer about 4 p.m. and roughly 6 hours later, about 10 p.m., I get this email, and they're asking for a photo for checking, and they want the shipping address so that they can ship a new one. So I could probably click reply to my email, but I'm actually going to just click on view this message on Amazon. I'm going to scroll down here and click in this box, and I'm going to type out a description. I'm going to explain what these images are that I gave them. I'm done typing out my message, so I'm going to click on Attach Files. And now I'm just going to browse for the files. I took the pictures with my iPhone and airdropped them over to my Mac, and the default location for incoming files is Downloads. So I click on Downloads, and I'm just basically going to attach those. So I get this error about uploading HEIC files, which is the default for an iPhone. So this is a problem. So we're going to convert it using Preview, which is a default app on the Mac. I'm going to locate all the files in Finder, and I'm just going to select all of them. I'm going to click on the first one, hold Shift on the last file, and then just right click and choose Open. And so Preview opens, and now I'm going to hold Option on the keyboard, and we're going to see that the menu changes a little bit, and it shows us the Save As dialog. So I'm going to click on that. I like PNG format, so I'm just going to keep it as PNG format. And I'm going to rename these to make them more descriptive versus like image and a number. Okay, so we got the files in a format that Amazon will accept, so I'm going to re-upload these. So the Amazon website is saying that these files are too big, so I'm going to see how big they are. So if we click on Finder, yeah, these things are huge, right over here in this column. I don't know why they're so big. So we're going to use Preview again to shrink the files. Round 3, let's go. Within Preview, click Tools up in the menu and then Adjust Size. Click the Fit Into drop-down window and then pick one. I picked 1280. And I'm looking at the estimated size over there to figure out like which one I should pick, since I need I got 10 meg allowed and I need to get multiple pictures. Now I click OK, and then I'm going to do File and Save. And so in Finder, I can see that the file is substantially smaller. So this is working. So this process is starting to look like a war, but now that we got the files small and uploaded, we're on to the next piece. Click on Send, and you should be all squared away. If you have any other errors, obviously you're going to need to address those before the message get off to the sender. And now we're just waiting on the seller. All right, a few hours have passed, and I got another response from the seller. Hello, dear friend. Thank you so much for the photo and the address, and we've arranged to ship a new light from the Amazon warehouse just now. So 2 days had passed since I received this email. And then the box came in. So I'm going to basically unbox it. We're going to check for damage. I mean, not like I'm expecting any, but yeah, we're going to check it. We're going to install it, and my garage is going to be nice and bright. Exactly like I expected. It's just kind of coming in a typical box. I'm going to cut this out. And there it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you. Just let me know in the comments below what you were able to return. Have a good day.